Hello everyone. In this episode, I'm teaching you how to crochet this Maillard Triangle bag. Let's take a look. This is the diagram for our bag body panel. It has a total of 11 rounds. This is the finished bag body panel. The crocheted panel looks roughly like this shape. Let's take out our hollow cotton stuffing. Then pull out the yarn end. Hold the yarn and wrap it around your hand. And wrap it 2 to 3 times. So that position is 3 wraps. Then at the crossing point of these 3 loops, the junction, pinch it. Then bring the yarn through with your hand like this. Then insert the hook through these 2 loops. Pull the yarn through. And chain 1 to secure it. For round 1, we first chain 3. Chain 3 foundation chains. 1, 2, 3. After chaining 3, we work a double crochet. Hook, yarn over. Bring the yarn around like this. Then insert through these 2 loops. Pull the yarn through. Now you have 3 loops on the hook. Yarn over and pull through the first 2 loops. Then yarn over and pull through the last 2 loops. The starting chain, 3 counts as the first stitch. You can use a stitch marker, clip it onto that 3rd chain. If you can't find it, treat it as the first double crochet. This is the 2nd double crochet. Then yarn over and work the next double crochet. Now we have 3 double crochets. After completing 3 double crochets, chain 3. One yarn over and pull through like this. That's 1 chain 2, 3. After chaining 3, work 3 more double crochets. Hook, yarn over, bring it around. Then insert through this 2-loop position. Pull the yarn through. Yarn over and pull through the front 2 loops. Then yarn over and pull through the back 2 loops. That's 1 double crochet. Then work 2 more double crochets. Total of 3 double crochets. 1, 2, 3. After the 3 double crochets, chain 3 again. 1, 2, 3. After chaining 3, work 3 double crochets. Hook, yarn over, insert through. Pull yarn through. Yarn over through front 2 loops. Yarn over through back 2 loops. 1 double crochet. Work 2 more double crochets. Total 3 double crochets. After those 3 double crochets, chain 3 again. 1, 2, 3. After chaining 3, yarn over, work 3 double crochets. 1, 2, 3. After the 3 double crochets, chain 1, then pull the yarn out. Because this is a magic ring start, tighten the loop. When we pull this loop, it will tighten first, but don't pull it too tight. Pull on this loop, the one we just tightened, and it will tighten the other loop first. Tighten that loop first, then pull this yarn tail and it closes up like this. After tightening, insert the hook back. Remember we chained 1 earlier? After that, chain 1, yarn over, then at the position of the 3rd chain of round 1, work a half double crochet. Yarn over, insert through that 3rd chain position. Pull yarn through. Now there are 3 loops on the hook, yarn over and pull through all 3 together. That's the half double crochet. After the half double crochet, chain 3. 1, 2, 3. After chaining 3, same as before, this counts as the first double crochet. Now, let's look at round 2. This position is the chain 3. After chaining 3, chain 1, then 1 double crochet, chain 1, 1 double crochet, chain 1. Follow this sequence. After the chain 3, chain 1 more. After that, chain 1, work 1 double crochet. For the double crochet position, yarn over, insert into the same hole where we made the slip stitch join. Pull yarn through, yarn over through front 2 loops, then yarn over through back 2 loops. That's the first double crochet. The starting chain 3 also counts as a double crochet. So, chain 3 counts as 1 DC, chain 1, double crochet. After the double crochet, chain 1. For the second double crochet position, skip that stitch and work the double crochet into the 3rd double crochet position. Insert, pull yarn through. Work 1 double crochet. After the double crochet, yarn over, pull through, chain 1. Now we've reached the corner from round 1. Yarn over at this corner position, work 1 double crochet. After the double crochet, chain 3. 1, 2, 3. After chaining 3, yarn over, still in this same hole, work another double crochet. Still in this same hole, work another double crochet. Now you can see this one side, including both corner holes, 1, 2, 3, 4, has a total of 4 stitches. 4 stitches. Continue below, chain 1. Then work a double crochet on top of the first double crochet. After the double crochet, chain 1. Yarn over, skip the second double crochet. At the third double crochet position, chain 1. Then chain 1. After chain 1, yarn over, next is this corner hole. Work a double crochet first. Then chain 3. Yarn over, work another double crochet. After completing that, chain 1. After chain 1, yarn over, work a double crochet into the first stitch. Then chain 1, skip 1 stitch, skip the second double crochet, yarn over, work a double crochet into the third stitch. Now we've reached the last position. At the last position, first chain 1. Then yarn over into this hole, work a double crochet. After the double crochet, chain 1. After chain 1, go back to the third chain position. Insert through, yarn over on the hook, insert through, pull yarn through, then yarn over and pull through all 3 loops at once. That's the half double crochet completed. Chain 3. 1, 2, 3. After chaining 3, round 2 is complete. Now we work round 3. Round 3 starts with chain 3. Then in the same position work a double crochet. Then for each stitch that follows, work 1 double crochet. One, 2, 3. After chaining 3, treat it as the first double crochet. Same as before, yarn over into the same stitch, into this hole, yarn over, work the first double crochet. After the first double crochet, begin working below. Below, yarn over, where the half double crochet was made, insert into that hole and work a double crochet. After the double crochet in the chain, one space from the previous round, yarn over, insert directly in, work a double crochet. After that, yarn over above the double crochet stitch, work a double crochet directly above. Yarn over above the chain, one space. Work a double crochet. Directly above the double crochet, work a double crochet. After that, directly above the next chain, one space. Work a double crochet. Then yarn over, work a double crochet. After that, we reach the corner position. At the corner, work 2 double crochets first. Yarn over, work 2 double crochets. One, 2. Then chain 3. 1, 2, 3. After chaining 3, yarn over, still in this same corner hole, work 2 double crochets. So in this corner hole the total is 2 double crochets, chain 3, 2 double crochets. Continue yarn over, directly above the double crochet, work a double crochet. Then in the middle chain, one space, work a double crochet. Then in the next double crochet position, work a double crochet. In the chain, one space, work a double crochet. Continue working double crochets. Above the last double crochet position, work a double crochet first. At this corner chain, 3 space, yarn over, work 2 double crochets. 1, 2. Then chain 3. 1, 2, 3. Yarn over, work 2 double crochets. Now let's count. This row has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, including both corner positions, a total of 11 double crochets. All 4 sides follow this same sequence. I won't demonstrate all of it. Work it all the way around to the last position, and then I'll show you how to finish. When you reach the last position, yarn over into this hole, work 2 double crochets. After the 2 double crochets, chain 1. After chain 1, yarn over, go back to the 3rd chain position, insert through, pull yarn through, yarn over and pull through all 3 loops at once. Round 3 is now complete. Thank you everyone.